welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a RAG chatbot. So what it is, RAG stands for Retrieval Augmentation. So in plain term, you can ask ChatGPT about any question about the document of your choice. So let me quickly show you how it works. Here's the our chatbot application, and if you upload PDF, so say this is a PDF file for American Declaration of Independence, and you can ask a question about this. Let's ask a question about this document. Let's say, why did Americans want independence? Then the chatbot will give you answer based on the documentation. And below the answer, it will also give you the reference where this information come from within this document. So let us go to hands-on practice. So this is the general outline of the app we're gonna build. So it's a bit different from the web we're gonna build, but in general sense, what we're gonna do is that you're the user and you're gonna input the question into the chat widget. So this is our Streamlit application, and also you, the user, will upload the PDF file. Let's say it's here, and both of them are gonna be embedded. Vectorized based on same rule by the OpenAI embedding model, and then those vector will be saved, and we're going to use FICE, which is another library. So let's say FICE is here, and what they are going to do is that FICE will match the vector of your question to the vector of the text chunk. And so that means is that the system will eventually send your question and most related text information to the ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will return the answer based on your question and the most related information of the text chunk that is extracted from the PDF, and it will return the response based on those information with the references. So let's go to the hands-on experience. Alright guys, so let's create a new folder within the directory you are using. So in my case, I'm using RAG tutorial. And before going into the Python file, we need to set up the directory for the toml file where we're gonna save the OpenAI API. So create .streamlit. Why I am naming the file like this, it's just how it works according to Streamlit documentation. And we're going to create new file, and we will say secrets toml. And here set up the API key first. API key. We'll leave it as a blank. Later we will add the API here. Okay, so let's start from importing library. So we will import PyPDF and PDF reader, so we can import PDF file, and we will import OpenAI, which is necessary for using OpenAI embedding model. And we'll use Streamlit as always for our UI, and also NumPy for data wrangling, and Vice. Vice is used for vector matching and storing, and Re for small use for text sentence splitting. First, we will set the Open API key and assign it to OpenAI API key. And then let's go to our UI part. So here's the title, chat with PDFs with book icon. And this, you can ignore it. This is just my message to the user, explaining how to use this chatbot. You can also ignore this. This is a download link for sample PDF. So the real thing starts from here. So you can set the PDF uploader, which is uploading widget. And if the PDF file is uploaded, the program will get text from PDF file and make those text into chunk and vectorize them and sort them. And this is the prompt, which is your question input into chat. So if you input anything into widget, it will go to query embedding, which is it will vectorize your question based on same embedding model that vectorize the text from PDF. And after that, it will generate a response using the vector matching system. And after those processes are finished, it will pop up your input question and the response generated by vectorization and ChatGPT. And finally, it will return the reference, which sentence, which page it came from. Let's go to the function part. So as always, we're gonna import the text from PDF first, but we're gonna use cache data because we don't want to load it every time we rerun the app. And what it does is that it gets text from every page of PDF and separated it into sentences based on these marks, and returns the text with page. Yeah. And next, the chunk text with references. What it does is that it splits entire text into chunks. So here we again we save the text into cache. And so here so base chunk size is 500 tokens and overwrap is 50 tokens. So why do we need to overwrap? If you don't overwrap the text, the linkage between the text chunk is lost, and the model will not be able to send related sentences. So it's not going to be able to consider the context of the text. Okay. Then next, we will use we'll get the OpenAI embedding. So basically, what it does is that we will just import OpenAI embedding model, which is text embedding. It's very small, relatively cheap model, so we can use this model for embedding. After that, we will get the vector store. So what it does is that it will vectorize all the text that we do to vectorize and save it into data, cache data. And it will return the index. And query embedding, what it does is that it vectorizes the, as I said, the question that you wrote on the chatbot based on same model, which is text embedding, very small. And finally, generate responses. It will generate response based on the input. So what it does is that it sends your question and the matched vectorized text chunk based on indexes, and send them all together to ChatGPT. And after that, ChatGPT will return the answer, and those answer will be in here. Yep. So this is pretty much it. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. Bye.